Let's find out why the halo wall lights are quickly becoming a fan favourite bestseller. Hi everyone, I'm Becky and this is the SolarCentre, where solar lighting actually works. This is everything you need to know about the halo wall lights. Let's unbox! The halo wall light comes in two different shapes. There's the halo round wall light, which has a 20cm diameter, and there's the halo rectangle wall light, which is 50cm tall and 7cm wide. Let's unbox them. Let's start with the rectangle. So inside the box we've got the instructions, the light, the USB cable, and the screws. Now let's see what's inside the round light. Again, we've got the instructions, the USB cable, the screws, and of course the light. These lights are super easy to set up. Just make sure you consider carefully where you want to place your lights before making any alterations to your property or your fence. If the light is installed in a poor location, for example a place with little sunlight, it may not perform to the best of its ability. To install the lights, simply drill the screws into a wall or a fence and then place the light gently over them. Be sure to have measured out the correct distance between the screws before you place them. To maximise the capacity of these lights, we do recommend that you use the USB charge and charge the lights for roughly 3 hours before use. Alternatively, you can just leave them out in the sun for 10 to 12 hours. The choice is yours. So as you can see, on the front of both of these lights, there's an integrated solar panel which has a built-in 7-hour timer. There's also a power saving mode to ensure efficient and long-lasting performance. One of the biggest differences between the rectangle light and the round light is the back panel and how you change the lighting modes. So on the back of the round halo wall light, there's a button which has 4 lighting modes. Press once for a warm white at 100% brightness. The second press is warm white again but at 50% brightness. The third press offers a cool white at 100% brightness. And the fourth press gives you a cool white at 50% brightness. Now the rectangle wall light on the other hand only has 2 lighting options. We've got warm white and we've got cool white. In contrast to the round light, rather than you pushing a button, you're flipping a switch. If you're thinking of purchasing either of the halo lights, be sure to bear this in mind when making your decision. Both the halo lights turn on automatically at dusk and give you roughly 7 hours of runtime on a full charge. These lights are sleek, contemporary and very stylish in modern garden homes. The round light emits 35 lumens and the rectangle light emits 50 lumens. If you have any questions about either of these lights, be sure to leave them in the comments below. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, it makes all the difference. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you in the next one.